Hello everybody, my name is Mateo. I'm with Forest River XLR. I am here in Peninsula, Ohio at Kamper City showing this beautiful 41G14. Starting in the front right here, you'll notice that on our front caps they are a little bit flatter than most people's. The reason we do that is it allows us to pull everything forward 12 to 14 inches depending on the floor plan. So most floor plans you'll see that are 45 foot will come with a 12.6 or a 13-foot garage, whereas we at 45 feet have a 14-foot garage. So it really opens up the floor plan for us. Under here, something different that we do with our storage. Most people do a straight pass-through storage from side to side. We do an L-shaped one from the left side to the front. It allows us to clean up our battery box and replace our generators. So where generators were usually right about here, with your exhaust coming out here, it would be muffling underneath on your bedroom area. So we actually moved the generators. So now it's facing away from your campsite, not bothering you while you sleep. And then that front storage also allowed us to move our batteries over here too. This unit does come standard with hydraulic auto leveling, one-touch auto leveling. That also has the auto rehitch capability on it. So when you unhook and you auto level, when you're ready to go, you hit the auto rehitch. It'll bring it right to where the position of your car was when you unhitched it, so that you can have easy rehitch abilities. Coming over to the sides, our side walls, our front wall underneath the front cap, as well as our slide outs and slide out roofs are all going to be aluminum framed, vacuum bonded laminate walls. So a lot better than anything that's stick and tin, pinch rolled, or stick and slick. It's going to be more structurally sound and have a better insulation rating than any of that. Coming in over here, we do a more ride stable step on the front. We do a frame mounted folding step on the rear, because if you did this stable step back there, you would lose about 6 inches on your garage spacing. That is the reason that we do that back there. Let's head on into the camper now. At first glance, you'll notice the large living room area here. You'll have an L-shaped couch here in front of a 55-inch TV behind an accent wall. You'll also get 2 reclining chairs over here, and these 2 over here are going to recline as well. Get a big U-shaped kitchen with a 16 cubic foot fridge, 24-inch oven, 3-burner cooktop, and a microwave. All cabinets and drawers in this unit are going to be hardwood and soft close. So you can close them and then run away from them. They'll softly close without damaging anything. We'll have a stainless steel appliances in this. This is also in your bathroom too. Porcelain toilet, so no cracking or freezing on any of that stuff. And then in front of over here, you got a 5K electric fireplace, as well as a 35K BTU furnace. So you got 40,000 BTUs worth of heating elements in here. As far as cooling goes, we got the 18K chill cubes in here from Furrion. We run 3 of those in here. They are all individually zoned with their own controller, as you see there. So mom can have it hot in the bedroom, the kids can have it normal back here, and dad can have it freezing in the garage. Moving into the garage, we have a 14-foot garage back here with a half bath in here. This half bath also does fold, so if you got a big unit and you need the full spacing, you could fold that in and stuff a tire right up here. We use 5,000 pound tie downs back here. Never seen one of these come out. Now moving into the back patio area, this is what we call the party deck. Back here is your patio. You're gonna have 1,500 pounds as the patio position, 3,000 pound weight rating in the ramp door position. This patio kit is easily removable. There's 3 pins on either side and it comes right off. Can't forget about the bathroom or bedroom. Got a 34 by 24 shower in there. The porcelain toilet, stainless steel sink in there with cabinetry for towels or any toiletries. And then moving up into the bedroom here, you got a king bed on an east to west bed slide, and then an oversized master closet in here with that laminated front wall. So increased structural durability in your front end. It's going to keep everything stable when you're going down the road from moving, creaking, cracking, anything like that. It's going to mitigate that. And I believe that is about everything on this 41G14 here. Come on down to Kamper City in Peninsula, Ohio, and check this thing out for yourselves, guys.